It is important to be able to assess the quality of all educational material, especially material that is technology related. As a group, we are building a rubric to measure the quality of an educational website. The rubric is needed so that the user can analyze 6 different criteria of an educational website and see how effective it is. There are numerous websites on the internet, yet as educators, we must be able to analyze which ones have a purpose of truly educating students. We are using a 4-point rating scale to grade each criteria. We designed it so that any educator, K through 12 and college, could measure the quality for themselves using our rubric as a guide. The 6 criteria are: 1. Research-based instructional strategies. An educational website should have at least 1 or more instructional strategies to deliver information to the user to best facilitate learning and human development. 2. Content richness. Educational websites must have multiple ways for the user to interact with the site and must go into great detail where effective learning is the outcome. 3. Learner-centered. Research about how the human brain learns has led to the recommendations and development of the learner-centered approach to learning. In this approach, focus is on what and how the student is learning. 4. Germane cognitive load. Cognitive load theory, or CLT, describes the different types of memory systems and processes used in learning new concepts. With the rapid advancement of educational websites, it is important to know if the instructional design of the websites are meeting the cognitive needs of learners. 5. First principles of instruction. David Merrill describes 5 first principles of instruction that are consistently applied in many instructional design theories and models. Therefore, these principles are proposed to be necessary for effective learning environments. The principles, according to Merrill, are as follows. 1. Learning is promoted when learners are engaged in solving real-world problems. 2. Learning is promoted when existing knowledge is activated as a foundation for new knowledge. 3. Learning is promoted when the new knowledge is demonstrated to the learner. 4. Learning is promoted when new knowledge is applied by the learner. 5. Learning is promoted when new knowledge is integrated into the learner's world. Each of these principles emphasizes a learner-centered approach to instruction. And the last criteria, number 6, is assessment and feedback. Research shows that if good software and websites are integrated into teaching, students' learning and engagement increase. For quality technology-mediated learning, there has to be continuous assessment and feedback of the technology. We hope this rubric helps you evaluate the effectiveness of educational websites. Thank you.